Happy Monday! It's holiday. It's National Heroes Day, August 26, 2024. And it's a beautiful Monday morning. Let's give thanks for all the blessings, especially sa mga holiday ganito na dumating doon sa buhay natin at mga darating from ng mga blessings kasama ng mga pagsubok, challenges, and mga trials ng buhay natin which makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, and exciting. At syempre doon sa mga taong, sa mga heroes na tumulong sa atin during our trials at sa mga taong nakikimarites lang din po doon sa buhay natin, pasalamatan natin. Shoutout to kay Glenda, kay Glenn Snow, kay Puchi, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Boris, Mamalu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Judith Sasil, Janet Manaang, and Aldi Calvadores ng Malay-Balay Bukidnon, Henry Carl Lim, and Dana Medina, Joel Anahani Pistolante, Michael and Michelle Lomongo, Jima David, Inday Araso, Elizabeth Guevara, Mabel Andres, and Angie Sarmiento, Ina Ruby Cortez, at Rachel Pastolero, and Eds Malove. At siyempre, huwag natin kalimutan sina Boss Banoy, Boss Baging, Boss Tatay, Boss Arnold Aramal of Kitago, Misamis Oriental. Repose of the day natin po is, time is the most precious commodity you can give to your family and to your job. Be a hero today and enjoy those precious time with your family, especially with your children. So thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed National Heroes Day.